Today we'll discuss the year-end review of PIB regarding the CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Then we have so many institutions of India involved and mingled with this CSIR. For example, DST, Department of Science and Technology, DBT, Department of Biotechnology, CCMB, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, and IICT, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, and Ocean Technology, and Earth Sciences, and so many institutions we have linked up with this CSIR. That means all these institutions are part of CSIR. And first question, what anniversary of the CSIR Foundation Day was celebrated in 2024? So which anniversary means 83rd anniversary. The CSIR was first established 26th December 1942. It is an autonomous body, and the founding personalities of the CSIR was Ramaswamy Modalayar and Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. And the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar was the very first chairman of the CSIR. And the second question, what event was showcased in the CSIR tableau on Kartavya Path during Republic Day? So, what sector? The name of the sector is the Purple Revolution. Purple Revolution is to promote the cultivation of aromatic crops. So we can prepare like perfumes and aromatic products and even medicines and all this. And Purple Revolution is just basically to promote the cultivation of aromatic crops. Particularly it focuses in Jammu and Kashmir. And we grow here the lavender, a plant which is useful to make the perfume. And but for example, the same Purple Revolution, if you take the northeastern area, and there you need to include the lavender along with the saffron. So here the northeast and only in Jammu Kashmir lavender. So you want to concentrate. Even in the examination, if they give like A and B, two sentences, and very particular. Next question, question number 3. Question number 3. What technology did CSIR develop for constructing high altitude roads? Here the answer is Review-2024. Review-2024 is nothing but is a road construction technology that helps build bituminous road in low, that means the zero temperature, and sub-zero temperature, that means the minus. Even if the temperatures are in minus ranges, so there we can build the roads with this technology. And this technology is developed by CSIR along with the CRRI, Central Road Research Institution. So together they developed this Review-2024. And next, where was India's first steel slag road section inaugurated? Answer is NH66, Mumbai to Goa. So here this is just, you want to remember, NH, National Highway 66. And next question, what innovative feature is a part of the Ram Mandir construction supported by CSIR? Like what are the innovations involved in that construction? The earthquake resistance and Surya Tilak system. This Surya Tilak system was developed by Indian Institute of Astrophysics under the Department of Science and Technology, which is a crucial part played. And the next question, what is the purpose of CSIR NIO's CBOT? CBOT is nothing but a kind of robot. So NIO is a National Institute of Oceanography, has launched a coral monitoring autonomous underwater vehicle. So this robot travels underwater to monitor the coral reef monitoring, because the coral ecosystem is very important. If you take in the brackish water or the salt water, oceanic water, saline water ecosystems, the coral reefs plays a major role. So that is the reason why if you want to keep the ecosystem in a balanced level, in a sustainable manner, so we want to maintain the coral reefs in a well manner. So that is the reason, and they have invented this CSIR along with the NIO. The name is CBOT. So coral reef monitoring. And next question, question number 7. What milestone did CSIR NAL achieve with its high altitude pseudo-satellite HAPS? The answer is B, solar powered flights for months. So here the CSIR, we know that, and part of CSIR is NAL, National Aerospace Laboratory, have successfully tested an unmanned aerial vehicle called HAPS and can be powered through by like solar cells and battery system, and it will be raised up to, we know that drones is a kind of larger than a drone, and it can rise up to 23 kilometers. That is one of the important feature, and it can stay there airborne for at least 90 days of the duration. And we know the range of electric bike or electric car around 300 to 400 kilometers. If you take the electric bike, around 50 to 120 kilometers, but here it can rise up to 23 kilometers and it can stay like airborne for 90 days. That is the question. Which research institute developed a rapid test for sickle cell anemia? Here the answer is the CSIR CCMB. CCMB is our Hyderabad-based Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, has done the research. What are the red blood cells mean? They just be in the concave position, double concave, and their life cycle is lifespan is around 120 days. But in the case of sickle cell anemia, the cells die early, leaving a shortage of healthy RBCs. So that causes the infection and fatigue and like other headache symptoms. So in this way, we want to identify the sickle cell anemia in the early stages. For that, they have developed a technique along with the CSIR. And what new plant species were discovered by CSIR NEIST? NEIST is nothing but a Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, which is Assam based. They have discovered a plant and named on behalf of a plant scientist, botanist, and Narahari name. Begonia Narahari is the name of that particular recently discovered plant. And what eco-friendly farming equipment was introduced by CSIR? CMERI. CMERI is nothing but a Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute at Durgapur based institution. Durgapur means West Bengal. So they just invented an electric tiller. We all know that tillers, plows, tractor tillers, but this is an electric tiller. And where was India's first lithium battery recycling, lithium battery manufacturing or recycling plant inaugurated? Jamshedpur. And next question, what does the CSIR mission on sustainable packaging aim to address? What they wanted to address means recycling, and we can use the used products multiple times, and again the reuse, recycling and reuse innovations. And what is the primary focus of CSIR IICT? IICT is an Indian, like a Hyderabad-based institution, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, Biofuel Center, and Green Aviation Fuel. That is their recent work going on. And next, which CSIR project demonstrated biobitumen technology? So here the biobitumen technology, Asia's first biobitumen highway they are constructing. That means the sustainable road infrastructure located NH44. They have used this technique in Mansar, Nagpurlo, that means Maharashtra. So an eco-friendly alternative to like a traditional bitumen roads. So what it can does to us, enhancing the durability and sustainability of the highway. Durability and sustainability. These two are the only priorities. And what technology supports oxygen generation for MiG-29 jets? So here geolite based OBOGS. So geolite based OBOGS means onboard oxygen generation system. So ensuring optimal performance and safety during high altitude operations. Next question, what did CCMB develop for early breast cancer detection? So here they have developed a non-invasive blood test. So non-invasive blood test is a monitoring of arterial blood pressure during pregnancy, check for disorders like if the mother have like a Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, or Turner syndrome, or even triplex syndrome. So in the early stages, and it will be much useful for the baby to be born or not. Which organization partnered with CSIR for COVID-19 vaccine development. Here we have the IASC, Indian Institute of Science, and National Institute of Immunology. What is the purpose of the Indian Breast Cancer Genomic Atlas? Genomic Atlas, they have developed this atlas. And what are the purpose? So here they develop new therapies and map genomic varieties. Then we'll be able to know at the quicker and early stages and enhance clinical management. So in this way, next question 19. What disease is targeted by IMTech's research? So the answer is Parkinson's disease. IMTech is nothing but Institute of Microbial Technology. Parkinson's disease of central nervous system. Parkinson's disease is related to nervous system that affects the movement. Not the peripheral nervous system, just the central nervous system. Which institute developed an accelerated fracture healing pill? So here the answer is Central Drug Research Institute of CSIR wing. And the next question, what agricultural breakthrough did CSIR's CCMB achieve? So yellow stem borer resistant rice. So if you take the stem, the yellow insect, which is in yellow color, causes the borers to the stem. So that's why then whole plant will be collapsed. So for this, CCMB has developed some techniques. And the next question, what was launched under the CSIR floriculture mission? So here the answer is marigold cultivation. This is very important. Marigold cultivation, only marigold cultivation in Jammu and Kashmir. Next, what eco-friendly material did CLRI develop? So CLRI is nothing but the Central Leather Research Institute. They have developed this. Question number 24. What composting technology did CSIR NIIST introduced? So this is a Zyvam technology. NIIST means National Institute of Interdisciplinary Science and Technology. Next question. Which location was identified for geothermal energy by NGRI? NGRI is National Geographical Research Institute. A. Eastern Ladakh. What technology did CIMFR develop for efficient water use in agriculture? CIMFR means Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research. The answer is precision drip technology, not just the drip technology, but precision based drip technology. Next, what project was launched under the Green Hydrogen Mission by CSIR? Answer is green hydrogen production from biomass. So here, this is one of the important bit. And next, which CSIR lab pioneered the development of climate resilient crops? Climate resilient crops. So, and answer is National Botanical Research of India. Which CSIR lab pioneered the development of climate resilient crops? Here the answer is NBRI, National Botanical Research Institute. So they have focused on these climate resilient crops. Next question. What environmentally friendly material did NML develop? National Metallurgical Laboratory, which was developed these green composite materials. And next question. What is the focus of NIO's coastal mission? Like focusing on marine biodiversity conservation, coastal erosion management, and coral reef forest restoration. NIO is nothing but the National Institute of Oceanography. Is based on Donapala at Goa. Question. What alternative energy source was developed under the CSIR biomass mission? They have developed these biomass pellets. These are nothing but the solid fuels produced from residue feedstock consisting of agriculture and forest biomass such as like sawdust, if you can take like straw, rice straws and wheat straws and animal waste. So they develop these biomass pellets which can able to produce energy. What innovation in road construction was introduced by CSIR? What kind of innovations? Steel slag road technology. SSRT, steel slag road technology. To use the steel slag waste in road construction, reduce what it can does to the environment means reduce pollution and create stronger roads, build thinner roads. We can build like a 32% thinner roads than what we can get from the traditional bituminous roads. And the next question, which CSIR institute developed a carbon capture technique? So this is the CSIR NCL, National Chemical Laboratory, based in Pune. They have developed this carbon capture technology. Carbon capturing is nothing but just we collect the carbon dioxide and we pump this carbon dioxide under high pressure into the earth inner layers, and this is called nothing but the carbon sequestration. Then we'll be able to utilize this carbon in the future, and at the same time we'll be get rid of with this air pollution. And this is one of the great technique. And what is the focus of the CSIR Smart Energy Grid Initiative? So where it is focusing means renewable energy integration and real-time grid monitoring and energy storage solutions. All are correct. And next question, which CSIR project supports low-cost housing solution? So answer is a Rural Habitat Mission. Number 36. What therapy did CSIR's IGIB develop for genetic disorders? The answer is gene editing CRISPR tool. So IGIB means Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology. So we all know this CRISPR-Cas9 gene is a genome editing tool that allows scientists to precisely modify DNA in cells and organisms. So if we want to focus, for example, here in this particular genomic sequence or gene, if we want to edit, precisely we want to edit this one only, because for the color or the height or other any characteristic feature. So with this CRISPR-Cas9 genome editing tool, we'll be able to focus on that particular region in the DNA. So this is a very extraordinary technique. And next question, what device was developed by CSIR CSIO for diabetic patients? So the answer is non-invasive glucometer. So yeah, in this way you can remember the non-invasive glucometer. So here CSIO means Central Scientific Instruments Organization. Like they have developed this non-invasive glucometer. And what breakthrough technology did CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute, introduce for malaria treatment? The answer is long-acting anti-malarial pills. So they have developed this long-acting anti-malarial pills. So that means long-term anti-malarial pills. Question, which CSIR institute developed a portable ventilator during the COVID-19 pandemic? Portable ventilator. So the answer is CMERI. CMERI is nothing but a Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute located at Durgapur, West Bengal. And next question, which collaboration led to the development of the indigenous HPV vaccine? So here the CSIR along with the Bharat Biotech. So this HPV is a human papilloma virus, but this vaccine protects against HPV infections that can cause cancers and genetical rots. In most cases of cervical cancer can be detected with this. Can be cured. And what is the focus of CSIR's clean air missions? Clean air missions, where it is focusing means the development of air purifiers, reducing vehicular pollution, smog-free urban areas. So in this way, the clean air mission is doing good. Next, which CSIR initiative supports high altitude wind energy harvesting? So aero wind systems, high wind turbines, kite based wind power. So you want to remember all these. Next, what technology did SCRC develop for disaster resilient structures? SCRC means Structural Engineering Research Center located at Chennai. So the answer is earthquake resistant housing. Next, which organization collaborated with CSIR for space material development? The space materials development, both A and D antunnaru. A and B అంటే ISRO and DRDO, Defense Research. Next question, what was developed by CSIR for enhanced mineral exploration? The answer is magnetotelluric image. Is nothing but a geophysical technique that uses material electromagnetic fields to map a particular location. The next question: What unique feature is part of CSIR's hydrogen-powered buses? So here, zero emissions, and there will be no emissions at all because they use no carbon-related fuels. And second one is dual fuel engines. Dual fuel engines, what is the benefit? Means these dual fuel engines can use any kind of like a eco-friendly fuel like natural gas, LPG, LNG, liquid nitrogenous gas, and biomethane, ethanol, methanol, and even hydrogen. So better efficiency and eco-friendly. And the range is very long. They can travel for a longer distances. And next, what is the focus of CSIR's aroma mission? So where it is focusing means boosting perfumery exports and promoting lavender cultivation, particularly as we discussed in the previous slides, Jammu and Kashmir, and developing essential oils. And next question: What is CSIR's contribution to the Ganga rejuvenation mission? So here, river basin management plan, water quality monitoring tools, and wastewater treatment technologies. Wastewater treatment technologies means we can discuss like a sludge processes, ASP, activated sludge process, and UASP. So here we have these two techniques. And water quality monitoring means they look for this BOD, biological oxygen demand, and chemical oxygen demand, and how much biological matter is in the water. So in that way, and water quality monitoring tools along with this wastewater treatment technologies. And next, which material was developed by CSIR for biomedical implants? And they have developed this titanium alloys and bioceramic coatings. So titanium alloys are like a corrosion free, and biocompatibility is more, and the strength is very high. And bioceramic coatings and polymeric scaffolds. So polymeric scaffolds means like a favorable mechanical and physiochemical properties. So that is the. And what is the key achievements of CSIR Purple Revolution? And this is the third time coming. And what are the achievements? Means lavender oil production, boosting farmers' income, like making the farmer income double, and transforming Jammu and Kashmir agriculture. So thank you so much. Please consider our videos for subscription and share with your friends, and like it. At the same time, please mention your comments in the comment section. Thanks for your support.